Alrighty, welcome to Module 5, Lesson 34 of the problem set. And in this lesson, we are simply continuing to subtract mixed numbers. So we're going to be subtracting mixed numbers from mixed numbers, fractions from mixed numbers, the whole shebang. So let's get started. Okay, in the first section, it simply says subtract. Okay, we can handle that. And what they did was they decomposed the 4 1/3 into 3 wholes, which left, if you subtract 3 from 4 1/3, you get a 1 1/3, which they just slickly converted into 4/3. This is the thing that you only have to be aware of. So then it's just simply a matter of making that equal to 3 4/3, because that's what that looks like there, which is weird, but yes, 3 4/3. That's a real weird way to write a mixed number. But then it's easy then to subtract the 2/3 to get your answer of 3 2/3. Okay. So the only difference in this one is how we're decomposing our initial mixed number. Well, let's try that one again and on B, and then I'll let you fly like a little birdie on C and do that one on your own. So let's look at B here. Now we're going to make this into 4. Okay, but then we have 1 2/4. Well, how many fourths is that? That's going to be 6/4. Where'd the 6 come from? Well, it came from 4/4 plus 2/4 is 6/4. If you're not sure where that comes from, ask your teacher or do a couple and it'll become a little bit clearer. So then this equals 4 6/4. Take away 3/4, and that's going to be equal to 4 3/4. Now again, you say, well, why can't I just do this any of the methods that I learned yesterday? Well, actually you could. But just give this method a try on C. Pause the video and unpause when you're ready. Okie dokes, how'd you do? Hopefully okay. I mean, that seemed like the hardest part is doing the decomposition and getting that fraction correct. It just seems weird to be decomposing, and then when you're decomposing, the fraction that you're decomposing is a fraction greater than 1. But that's what they wanted us to do. So they're trying to make us do it various different and sundry ways. Well, let's see what they're trying to make us do on the second one, on part 2, number 2. So subtract the 1s first. Okay, well, we've done that before. Subtract the 1s. And then the problem that's left, this problem here, again, is just like the problems that we've been doing yesterday, and this time we're doing pretty much the same thing as we did in the first part, except we're taking the 1s out first. So this one has been completely done for us. So let's go on to B. So this is says subtract 1 4. Well, 4 take away 1 is 3, so this is going to be equal to 3 2/5. Take away 3/5. See, we got rid of the fractional part there because we subtracted it out. And so 4 take away 1 is 3, but we still have 2/5, and we still have 3/5. So now we're going to decompose this like we did on the last one. So that's going to be 2, and then we're going to make this 5/5, 6, 7/5, 7/5. Okay, so then we take that. This is going to equal, let's see, this is going to equal, well, they kind of skipped a step up here on this one. We're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to make this 2. Well, no, I guess we can just do it. 2 is what we have left here, but then I have to have 7 take away 3 is 4. 2 4/5. Say, well, how do we even know if that's right? Well, one thing you could do, and this is just would make you feel a little better, you could add those two add-ins together to see, well, does this really work? Does 2 4/5 plus 1 3/5, does that equal 4 2/5. Well, we could try it. We could try it out and see. We have 2 and 1 is 3, and 4 7/5, and then that would equal 4 and 2/5. So it does work. So this is our answer. Okay, let's continue along. There's 2 more they would like you to do like this. So I'll walk you through one more, then set you free on the next one. So let's go down to the flip side. Well, we're moving right along. Welcome to the flip side. So they want us to take out the ones first, so let's take out the ones first. And that's going to end up with, on this one, we're going to start with 5 take away 3 is 2. So we're going to start off with 2 and 2 6. Take away 5 6. Okay. And then from this, we're going to break that down into 1, and then we took 1 whole, so that's 6 6 plus 2 6 is 8 6. All that in your head, 8 6. Okay. And now it's simply a matter of, we have 1 left here. Then we have 8 take away 5 is 3. Wow, okay, well, I think I'm getting it. I hope you are. So pause the video and try D on for size. Well, did it fit? Get it? Try it on for size. Well, I hope it fit, and I hope you got 6 4/5 for your answer. And then on the last part of this, it says, do it any way your little old heart desires. So I'll go ahead once again, pause the video, and wrap it up. Alrighty, how'd you do? Well, hopefully you breezed right through that. And all you have left to do is your easy peasy calacheesy homework. Catch you next time, same place. Hasta la vista, baby. Psst, the recording's over. Get to your homework. Well, wait a minute. Get your homework later on today. Get to work. Whatever else you have to do. Bye-bye. Psst. See you later.